Today we're exploring the versatile tortoise habitat wooden tortoise house, a perfect indoor and outdoor reptile enclosure designed for small animals like turtles, lizards, and snakes. This habitat includes a wooden hutch and an adjustable lamp holder, allowing you to customize the height and angle to suit your needs, although the lamp itself is not included. The cage features detachable legs, offering the flexibility to place it on a table or elevate it with high legs, making it adaptable to any space. With its large opening roof, cleaning and accessing your pets is a breeze, thanks to the two separate doors for the hide and activity areas. Safety is a top priority, with a plastic closed bottom that prevents escapes and keeps predators at bay, all while being crafted from 100% solid wood that's safe for your pets. This tortoise house is not just for tortoises, it's an ideal habitat for a variety of small reptiles, including hamsters, hedgehogs, chicks, geckos, and more. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and safety with this thoughtfully designed reptile enclosure, ensuring your small pets have a secure and comfortable home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.